Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Mubarakah on Binance Alpha. As you know, there are Mubarak and Mubarakah. Mubarakah is like female version of Mubarak and it's still low market cap, so if you want to buy it, you can do it. First, open your Binance apps and go to your asset in the bottom right corner here. And then as you can see, there is wallet here. You can click it. And after that, you can go to Alpha here and there is Mubarakah. You can click it. And after that, you can click swipe here. And you can swipe your BNB to Mubarakah. I forgot to mention that you have to buy BNB first and then you can swipe it. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.